Used 115 paper cutter. After the customer makes a reservation, go to the factory for a trial run. Cutting everything is normal. The computer screen is independently developed by our company. Can be installed on any paper cutter. Can be purchased separately. Multilingual settings available. Now our master, teaching customers how to use it. Set the cutting size on the computer system. Pushing cardboard will move according to the set size. After setting the size, the customer continues to test the machine. Cut completely without burrs. Test run completed, loaded and shipped.